Alright, howdy folks. This is Chris with Elon and Life. I'm here with, this is Brody. Got another lawn season coming up. I am freaking ready. How about you? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys. We're getting into the lawn season. Drop a comment, give this video a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. Soil samples, let's get started. Alright, so right off the bat, guys, let me go ahead and say, a soil test is not the end-all be-all, in my opinion, for having a nice lawn. You can still get a very nice lawn without doing a soil test. You can start off, if you don't want to do a soil test, if you just want to get a good, even application of fertilizer and nutrients down at the beginning of the lawn season, everybody knows you can put just down a good starter fertilizer, a good 10-10-10, something like that. You can get a generic version of Lowe's, or you can get a higher end from Anderson's or something like that. I'll put links for those in the description if you do not want to do a soil test. A soil test is just going to show you what your nutrient level is, show you what's going on in your soil. So if you want to take your lawn to the next level, you can get a nice lawn, like I said, without a soil test. But if you just want to take your lawn to the next level, you want to do a soil test. If your nutrients are low, or if your phosphorus is too high, it can lock up soil nutrients and kind of dampen down the overall effectiveness of your fertilizers and just your overall results of the fertilizers, chemicals you use on your lawn. So that is one of the benefits, the main benefit of a soil test. So there are a lot of different soil tests. You can get one done through your local extension office from a college. I know a lot of people like to use Clemson University. I'm sure other state colleges, you can have your soil test done. There's Soil Savvy Kit, and there's My Soil Kit. There's a bunch of different good ones. We happen to choose
Yard Mastery.
Yard Mastery. This is from Alan Haynes Company, Yard Mastery, so I want to try it out. And actually, I think this is just in partner with, yes, it's partner with My Soil. So I happen to use this one. So let's open it up and see what, and go over what needs to be done and show you how a soil test is done. Powered by My Soil. This is the envelope that you put the soil back in to return it. You have some instructions. You have a little scooper to put your soil in. And then you have your container with the special water chemical inside the container that you put the soil in. Okay, and the only other piece you'll need, tool, is a soil probe. This does not come with a soil test kit. Ordered this off Amazon. I'll link one of these in the description below as well. All right, so you want to take your soil probe. You're going to want to go get soil samples from around 7 to 10 different locations from your yard, so you're getting a good average soil sample. So I'll get 3 to 4 different soil samples from my side yard, and I'll get 3 to 4 different soil samples from my front yard in different areas of the yard. You want to take your soil probe. You're going to make sure you push it down in about 4 to 6 inches into the soil, so you get a good deep soil sample. So here's our first location. Got to push hard. Then pull the soil sample out. And there you go. All right, so there's my first soil sample. See, I was not quite big enough, quite deep enough as usual. So let's get another one, because I was only about 3 inches of soil. Obviously, my soil is very hard and compacted. So let's try another one. Let's try it again right here. There we go. That's a little bit better. One thing you're going to make sure you need to do, you see all that grass and debris and everything like that, you want to make sure you get that out of the soil sample. You can't have any, leaves and grass clippings and sticks and anything like that. You need to get pure soil, so take that all out. So then what you want to do, after you get all your samples, or you can do it along the way, get you a bag and put your soil samples in the bag. So what we'll do now is go get the rest of the soil samples. all that body weight. Go, deeper. Go like this, push. There you go, push. Put that 75 pounds. Okay, so once you have all your soil in your bag, you just mix it up, bust it up, get all the large chunks out of it. So make sure you do all that. Then, once again, make sure you have any debris, grass clippings, any of that out. Just remember, it's very important to mix all your soil up good so you're getting some soil from every area of your yard. Now, I have only about 2,500 square feet, so if you have a big yard, a lot bigger yard, it may be a good thing to get a couple of 2 or 3 soil test kits, because it's going to be hard to get a good overall analysis if you have a huge yard all in this one little container. So the next step, as I showed you, you have a little scooper. You mix your soil up thoroughly. You want to get one level scoop of the dirt. Once again, make sure you have any debris or anything like that out of it. So I like to dump mine out. Just make sure right here, all that's good. Any sticks, grass clippings, all that. Just pure soil. Then you're going to open this container right here that has the liquid in it. Take the top off. Do not remove the liquid from it. Like that. And then put it in the container. Make sure the top's secure. And then, like I said, it comes with a pre-packaged that you can put the soil kit in and seal up. So the last step you're going to do, you need to register your soil kit. You can do it through the box right here. It has a barcode where you can scan it and register your kit, or you can go to yardmastery.com, or you can download the Yard Mastery app and do it all through that to register your kit. Within a few days, you'll get an email with some sample results of the progress, and then within 6 to 8 days, you'll get an email of your results. You can download it, or like I said, you can log into the Yard Mastery app and get your results from there. All right, and that is how you perform a soil test, guys. Like I said, there's many soil test kits you can get. You don't have to do Yard Mastery. I just tried this one. There's a bunch of other ones, and you don't even have to do a soil test if you just want to get a nice lawn. The soil test is to give you your macro levels, your nutrient levels, all that, so you can just take your lawn to the next level, and that's what lawn care nuts like to do. So I appreciate y'all watching. Don't forget to subscribe. You got anything to say?
Turn on the post notifications so you never miss any of our new videos.
What did you say about this soil test? What you thought about it? It was boring. It was boring, but it needs to be done if you want to take your lawn to the next level. Hey, I appreciate y'all watching. Lawn season is upon us. This is Chris.
We're Rory.
And this is The Lawn and Life. See you next time.